Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Tuesday the 11th of July. In this short video I'll be looking at the charts of WTI Crude. What we'll see is that it remains in a downtrend. The moving averages are giving upside resistance and downside momentum is increasing, and we expect the supports to be tested. So here we have the daily on WTI Crude, and you can see that when I did the last video I was concerned about this 50-day moving average. That indeed did create the resistance, and we've come right back. We've also come back below the 20-day moving average now, which did go flat but is now tracking downwards and will be an initial resistance point to any rally. WTI Crude at the moment 44.03 with that 20-day moving average at 44.52. You can see that we're in a downtrend. You can see this pattern of lower highs and lower lows, and we're about mid to lower range, and there'll be no surprise if we do test the supports at the lows of the 21st of June. I'll give you the exact figure later. It's about 42.1513, somewhere around there. On the RSI, you can see that yes, on the rally we did pick up upside momentum, but that's now being lost. We're in a downtrend, and the RSI is back below 50 at 40.93, and the MACD as well is again rolling over. On the weekly picture, you can see that, the general picture looks like a rollover. We're moving back down. The longer term picture is downwards as the 200-day moves down, and we've got the 50-day moving back down now, and the 20 has crossed the 50. I just need to check whilst we're doing the video whether they were both moving down. Where are we? 48.7514. Okay, it wasn't a bearish cross there, because the 50 actually was moving slightly up when the 20 crossed it, so not as bearish as it could be. But of course the 50 is moving down now, and the 20 is moving down, and they will be, this is the week moving averages, and they will create resistance to any upside. Here you can see the initial support of that 42.13 level, and below there the support coming in from November. But as I said, it's a rolling picture. The RSI is indicative of negative momentum, and on the lower lows is going lower, so in a downtrend, and the MACD as well is showing negative momentum. On the 4-hour picture, here you can see it was the 200 4-hour that created the resistance to the rally. That's still moving down, so the medium-term picture on this still looks negative. We've got the 20 across the 50, one moving up, one moving down, very much like the weekly, but they are now both moving down and will give resistance. And again, the RSI is back below 50, 38.14. We'll have to wait and see. We're dipping down, see how low it goes on this low, whether we get a non-confirmation or not, but certainly it's not indicated yet. MACD is flatlining, so maybe keep an eye on the MACD on this chart. So looking at the support resistances, resistance 1 44.54, the 20-day, and resistance 2 46.65, with support at 43.68 and then 42.08. So that's been TA for Traders looking at WTI Crude. Just to go through the key points in the video, It remains in a downtrend. The moving averages will give any resistance to any upside. I expect the supports to be tested, and there is a negative momentum returning. Thanks for watching this video. Please do remember these videos are for educational purposes only and are not meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.